Hey guys, today let's try to lock apps with Face ID on the iPhone device. So if you guys are wondering how to lock the apps with Face ID over on the iPhone device, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to lock it step by step. So what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and proceed with going over onto the settings application. So I'll launch the settings and I want you to tap on the Face ID and passcode settings. So hop on over to the Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode real quick, and then what I want you guys to do from here is to proceed to the top section where it says use Face ID 4, and then basically we could now view this option right here, use Face ID 4, and then tap on other apps. What you could see from here is to actually use the Face ID in order to unlock these selected apps on here. So we can actually proceed with enabling all of these in order for us to use Face ID with these applications and also lock them. Essentially, we do have our messenger applications right here, our Wise as well, and other essential applications that actually needs a lockage. So we can actually go ahead and proceed with doing that, and it's that easy, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.